Okay, so what's up? This is James Boyer here at JTAG. Do another video on piston, wristband, snap ring removal and replacement. Today we're gonna be working on the snap rings on this piston right here. I know it's pretty old, rusted, got carbon all over it. It's even broken on a certain side. But today we're gonna take a video on removing these snap rings right here that keeps the wristband in place inside with the connecting rod and the piston. So the most easiest way to do this would be to take a pair of, I call these tweezers grip pliers, but I don't know what's the appropriate name for them. And another useful tool would be to be a pick. So today I'm just gonna be showing you how to do this side right here. I could do both sides, but for the sake of the length of the video, I'm just gonna do one side, or I may end up doing two sides depending on how fast I do it. So the very easiest way is to take it by the very two ends of right here. Get a good grip. Just get a good grip, ease it out. Be careful, because these things can fly somewhere and it will get lost. So that's the easy way. See, well, you can tell this pin is pretty much old, bent up, kind of oily still, a little rusted. But yeah, like it's still in good condition. And do the same thing for the other side. Just like so. Now you must note that I cannot remove the wristband from the piston. That is because it is heated to the point where the heat is closed within the piston, so therefore you can't take it out without the heating rod. So there's no point of us going further and taking the piston apart. So, well, you're gonna put it back together. Now the easiest way to do this would be to put it back in here, or like just take the pin like so, take it and like put it back in there. That's a lot of people would do that, but typically what you want to do is to find the right position for it, push it in there like so, take your pick and ease it up in there. But be careful though, because it can poke out. Give me a second. There you go. Pushed in. Make sure it's knuckled in right. As you can see it just perfectly just fine. And now I'll do the other side. But this time I'm going to use the pliers to put the other one back in. Just grip it like so. Squeeze it together. Push it in. That's the easiest way to do it. I would recommend this way to anybody. But that's how you replace piston, wristband, snap rings.